Welcome back everyone to another video. Today we're going to see how to restore iPhone when it's stuck on the Apple logo. The first solution is you have synced your iPhone with iTunes before. Just open iTunes on your computer, then connect your iPhone to the computer. Your iPhone may prompt to trust the computer. Tap trust and enter your passcode if the screen responds. Now you'll see a small iPhone icon appear in the top left corner of iTunes or under locations in Finder. If you want to save your data or your device is still detectable, click Backup Now. This begins the factory reset process by clicking Restore iPhone. A pop-up will ask if you're sure, just click Restore again. And iTunes or Finder will wipe your iPhone and install the latest version of iOS. Once it starts, you can let it set it up as new or restore from the backup you made earlier. If your phone wasn't synced to the computer or your passcode is forgotten, the computer won't recognize the phone. In this case, you must use recovery mode. Recovery mode forces the iPhone to connect to iTunes or Finder without requiring the passcode, but it will erase all data. Just a tip, if there's any chance you have an iCloud backup, it's worth checking later when you set up the phone. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.